we all doing today? Good morning to everybody, wherever you're watching from. I don't know what is your time. Good evening to some of you. Good night. Depending on time. So please, we are live now just because there's this update that I would like to share with us. I don't know how many of us that are, opportunity to be here with me at this moment. I know it is very, very early in the morning to some of you, and I just want to make this video because I will be leaving very, very soon. I have to go to my work. This morning there's this update about what happened in River Niger about this our brother that was drowned. Some of them, not only one, or not only him, they went. We know the story that they want to go and shoot movie and all that, and they made their untimely death and all that. So I'm not going to waste much of your time. Just give me some minutes in this morning so that we can go through it together. Gino Pope is no more. That news has been established, but there's other things that we need to understand about what happened. I noticed that everybody is talking about Gino Pope, Gino Pope, Gino Pope, which is very, very okay in terms of the kind of person he is. The love people are, showering upon him and all that, which is very, very nice to hear and to see. But there's other people also that you know that was drowned with him. Some of them are still in the water. I don't know if they have picked them up probably later on yesterday, but as of yesterday evening, I was told that they are still in search of them. So why I'm doing this broadcast is to let us know what is happening, about when you are not popular, what could be your fate. It is good, like I said. This video is not about, I'm not trying to discourage anybody that are sharing love and showing some empathy about the lost, and trying to send condolence to the families and all that. I also use this opportunity to send my condolence to the family of Junior Pope. Okay, but there are other people that also buy with him, and hardly you see their pictures or even people mention their name. I have watched many videos, many clips, both long and short videos about what happened. But nobody is talking about these other three people. Only few people managed to mention them. Their picture are not, you will struggle. Go and search for their pictures, you struggle to see it. Then their name are not even being mentioned. And some of them are young guys, some of like one of them, I'm sure, is a just a very young guy. That guy he's no more than 24. In my own conclusion, I don't think he's more than 24. He is no more as well. So why is it that people don't send even to the family? Nobody is talking about the family, about how they're feeling, their condition, and what is happening, about them. What happened? Nobody's talking about them. Every attention focus on Junior Pop, which is good. The attention focus, but somehow we also need to understand that those ones are human beings as well. And I don't know. I don't have anybody on ground, in Asaba to give me intels about the families of these of the other people, especially that young guy. That's a very, very young guy. Junior Pope is married with kids. This guy, I'm sure, is not even. I don't know. The only thing he may have now is girlfriend, which should be even somehow secret. I don't think he's married. He's a very, very young guy, and his life has been cut short because of this nonsense that happened. Now, some are, blaming one of the survivor. They are blaming this survivor because the news have it that he was ringing bell. You understand? In that on in when they are in the boat, they are on that boat going to where they want to shoot. Okay, somebody coming back from where they shoot, or I don't know, going or coming back, but the news have it that he was ringing bell. Okay, and the community that river is, they say that they have this culture that you don't ring bell on a Eke market day. And this guy defied that order. He was ringing bell. The question is, why is he ringing the bell? Have anybody tried to ask him why ringing bell? What is his intention? Ringing bell for what? And if you just imagine I'm going out with you, we are going to somewhere, and all of a sudden we are doing strange something. Of course, I should ask you a question. What does that mean? Which he himself confirmed that Junior Pope actually asked him when he was pouring Fanta in the river. Okay, he said that he want to observe water people. Okay, you are observing water people while in a journey with other people. Are you observing those water people for everybody or for yourself? These are the questions they need to ask the guy. And this guy, very dark man, have made a video and said that they should arrest that guy, that particular guy in question that grabbed that interview. I will bring his videos for you to see. He's one of the rising actor that I like so much in Nigeria. The way he carries himself, and he's very very proud of himself and all that. Which I feel is, I shouldn't use the word proud. I think that should be the word. Better word for that is confidence. I will show you this guy. This is the guy in question. This guy is one they said he was ringing bell and he was pouring water in the river while they are on their way to the place. Okay. Now, in this video, he shared his own experience, and he didn't wear any life jacket. That's one thing that amazed me, because others one life jacket. I mean, others I'm talking about the captain himself and the manager. The manager is survived this issue. Another issue is this: why would the manager, the person who owned the movie, if I'm not mistaken, the director or whatever they call them in the movie industry, who organized this trip and decided to go to that island to shoot this movie? Now, the person managed to have put on life jacket, whereas others don't. And being that we often take things for granted. I don't want to be one of those that blame Gino Pope for this, because sometimes you do something just because you think that it doesn't matter. Yes, you need to do it. You need to do it better, but sometimes out of should I say youth exuberant, you feel that we can do it. There's no problem. Let's do it. So it happened to most of us in our daily activities. There are some things we neglect. How many of us actually put on seatbelt when you book a car? Few of us does that. You understand that you're in the back of the back seat in a car, you put on a seatbelt. But if anything happen, of course, people will remember, oh, there's a seatbelt there. So sometimes we neglect those kind of things and we don't know the implication. Now, I want you to listen to what this guy said.
JP, make him come. Did you receive the 50,000? I say, send me 50. I say, if I don't send the money for me, they can balance it back. I say, God bless you. So they call JP, didn't come. They tell them, say, I did Grand Hotel, I will see me. They don't call him more than 20 times. He say, you will see me, you will see him pick. The next one, he will pick. So we waited for like 30 minutes, he not come. Up to 1 hour. 1 hour, some minutes, JP never come. So he can't call me for phone. Then he say, TC, how far? Say he don't talk with his, say he don't call Adama. Say Adama say he will go bank, go transfer.
Let me forward it.
Where we say boat back for dry ground, where they use water for ground. Now that rope, now I hold, they save that girl, Scooby-Doo girl. Why they say, when me and there, they push them off. See me when they enter swimming pool, I know that they swim. Nothing. That was it. Every of my phone, sport, everything. That is why I'm not online. Nothing. As you come out, I say they are want to arrest you. As I don't come out, me and Sean Israel, being the props guy, we've been packing motor to see. With me, Sean Israel, and that girl, with Obolo, then everybody came out. But when boats come, I couldn't, the trauma was too much. I tell one of the boats, I tell carry me across, come up for this water first. Me, Sean Israel, with that girl, where I say, we can't come on, Scooby-Doo girl. I can't come on, Sean can't say no fee, they drive motor, go. When we went, the thing no green me. I have to turn back. Call one of my friends. Understand where I get it. Which you rescue now? Which boats? Boat where they pass. You know the boat move. You say open. Understand? You see the sight waiting they happen for up. So now those people will sight from that place will take off, and then when they come with boats, concept. By then I was already getting weak. I'm tired of holding that thing because that girl too they try hold me, make I survive. Me when no sabi swim, I dey hold the rope, the girl they hold me. So two of us for both. I came out. I went to take tetanus injection in my hand because that water was very bad and treat the mouth of this thing. And ever young, man tracked me. Man said me will go back to the river. When I got there, I saw a lot of people. I saw my colleague, Kevin Nuvo. I saw a lot of people. I saw Adam Maluk. By that time, Adam Maluk don't reach. The next thing, as we don't there finish, I tell them, see what happen, see what happen. As I won't go up, one boy rush call me, say, police people, they call me. I say,
that's after the accident.
After the accident don't happen, they say,
and they never see junior people.
They never. Now me even first go police station, go report for police station, see what happen for Marine police station. When me and Sean Israel came out, now we rush go report for there because now they will pack motor. They come, they say, why people they always do this thing? Say they don't tell us anytime we will come, make we come rent jackets for their station before we enter that water because they be Marine police. Say, but because of our stinginess, say we know they even come carry them with some.
Which is true. Normally they should prepare for security, but because the owner of the movie want to cut off some cost of production. That's what happened here, and it have cost these people's life. How much is the jacket, and why is it so difficult for people that are shooting movies? People are learning from people. They want to emulate things from you people. You are the superstars, like you people also parade yourself that you are. We have established that for a fact that you are the superstar. People who are not superstars are looking up to you. If you superstars don't wear life jackets in this kind of incident, what do you expect from other people? That are not even superstars. So that one I blame all from both the actors and actress, makeup artists, sound engineers. All of you people you guys fucked up there because you should put that one like me. Even if I know how to swim or not, I must wear a life jacket too. To be honest with you, I must too, because water is not something that you do. You will start doing hard man for. It can happen to anybody, unless you are well-trained swimmer. Then you have your own. That you're a diver is different from this kind of thing. But Nigerian police said that they are stingy. Of course, what played role here is stinginess. Not what are you going to call it? It's stingy, of course.
Divers. Now because of our stinginess, we will come. We go say we will feel make them alone. We will go. So there, me and Sean come drive. Where I call my guy. But Sean was having a second phone when no car inside the motor. So he can't call my guy. He come instantly. As my guy came, I can't tell him, I better carry me go back. I won't go down Marine. I know if you say my heart no fit rest if I no go there. Say this person is my colleague. As I dey come there, talk wetin happen finish, make I go. The person tell me say police people they come here. I say make any police who won't see me, see my head now. They shake me, they can't see me here while I sit down. The next thing the police came say that they have to take me to Onitsha. To Marine, Geneva extension to Onitsha with boat. I say with boat where God just rescue my life. I come out. He wants to carry me with boat.
Well, my brother, of course, you just came out from boat. Now they want to take you back.
They say no, they have a life jacket for me. I say, I say something they worry.
Who tell them they arrest you?
Now that look. Tell them say na me cause because as I come out, the boat guy don't dey lie. Say I stand up for the boat. That's why he no see road. Are you a madman? As I slim like this, I stand from out of boat. Now you no see road. Are you okay? You will be a pilot. Where the pilot boat. It's crazy.
So after the accident, they never even see Junior Pope. I don't must say they arrest you.
They never even see Junior Pope that time. Oh. They never even see Junior Pope. Now first my guys come they talk. And then leave this, the policeman will come they shout for him. That was how I left the place. Before my chairman man came to carry me to the hospital to say more go do scan for night yesterday. That was it. So I'm totally disappointed. And as this point now, I want to officially say this. I am no longer an actor. I've survived so many times. I know how many times because of this stupid business. How much did they pay me? How much did they pay me? I know how many times I don't survive. There's know how many times they don't give me poison when nobody hear. I know how many times I don't get car accidents because of Nollywood. When I know if you kill me, my head is strong. When I know if you kill me, I don't want to be an actor. Let me focus on my comedy. If you love me, you want to support everything what they do. Come to my.
That is a good decision. If your life is being threatened with you in the kind of job that you are doing, of course, the best thing you should do is to quit. But before this guy quit, he should be interrogated, to be honest with you. Unless if what I heard is not true. That he actually uh, did some ritual by pouring drink inside the water and ringing bell. He did not mention that bell of a thing here, but that is what I heard from other content creators who said that the villagers from that community that this thing happened have testified that the person actually that this guy was ringing bell. He was ringing bell, and people don't understand why he was ringing bell. And according to the community, they said that in a market there, you don't ring bell near that river. So, if that's the case, the guy needs to tell the world: is he aware that ringing bell in this, near this river is forbidden? And how would that bell that he was ringing? What is the significance of that bell? Was he ringing it for who? What does that? What does that? What does it mean? If you are pouring water in the river, you are doing it on behalf of everybody, or you're doing it for personal reason, because the boat carried everybody together, and you guys are team. It's not as if it's not as if it's just a commercial boat that convey people from place to place without having one permanent direction where they are going, like a bus load from some, like let's say from Lagos to Anambra to Onitsha, and that bus may decide to carry someone that we drop off in Benin, okay, or in Delta. So that means the passenger that goes along that area are, we have chance, is expected to get bored. But you can also carry those passengers, okay. But when you are going to a permanent place, like you are landed to one tarmac, it simply means that everybody going there are going there for one single purpose. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Why did he do those kind of things? I'm not saying that he's the cause of the problem, but the question needs to be answered. Not for any other thing, for people to learn from that, because you cannot, enter boat and start doing one or two things that are not, that people may see it as a strange act. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And some people have turned to blame the guy who, one of the Nollywood actor that took the pictures of the dead body. Let me see if I can locate his picture. What do they even call his name? What do they call the name of that guy? Just hold on, give me some minutes. Let me see if I can get his picture. Okay, sorry about that. I am trying to bring the clear picture of the person. I've seen the person, but the picture is not all that clear. I'm trying to look for a better picture. Okay. I'm trying to look for a better picture. And I'm trying to look a better picture of the man that one of the Nollywood actor that took the picture and published it, which is very, very wrong. Very, very, very wrong. You don't do that because the family member, the wife, and the children who may they will may see that picture. This is the guy that I was talking about. This guy is one of the people that drowned in that water, and this is Gino Pope. And oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay, this is another lady. Okay, this lady. Okay, the other picture that I saw, she was a little bit matured than what we are seeing here. So let me see where's the picture. Where is that picture? I cannot. I don't want to show the picture of his lifeless body. I don't want to show that because for the sake of this video, I don't want to share that so that the owner of the platform will not they will not be mad. Because sometimes all the small rules and regulations matters a lot. They shared this picture. They took his body pictures of him and they published it. Wow, shit, this guy. See, when each time I see this picture, I feel so bad. Honestly, it's very, very bad. Okay, let me put it this way. How would I share this picture without this man, without the body? Okay, I think the picture that the guy's picture here is very, 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 very small, and if I try to share it with you now, the body, Gino Pope lifeless body will appear, which is against the community standard of the people that on the platform. Please, I'm sorry about that. I cannot share it now. Okay, I cannot share it. So there's another thing that I would like to share with us, which is Tinubu's wife. Tinubu's wife decided to act. She decided to claim what she. Okay, now I think I. Okay, let me see. This is the guy that is being rumored that he took the picture of Junior Pope, his dead body. Wait for the camera to capture it properly. Yes, here he is. This guy now is a Nollywood actor. He is one that they said, I'm not sure, that he took the picture and posted it on social media. And people are now calling him out, blaming him, which is well deserved. Because you cannot do that. How can you take picture of, this tragic news and publish it for the family of this of Junior Pope and the wife, probably the children, to see it? Who does that? You don't care about the trauma of the family members. You just publish it there just for you to create content. It's not good, man. It's not good at all. So that is what he did, and people are not happy with it at all. Which I said it is well deserved. Well deserved. You cannot do that. Now I will bring to you this
Nobody arrest you, nobody will beat her,
info.
nobody will molest her
Now,
because that's her own life. But I'm trying to remind.
let me hold on. Let me make sure that we start from the beginning. Okay.
Good evening. This is the generation of politics on the street, depending on whenever you are watching us from. Yesterday, the Muslim has fired the leader of the Java nation, of the Java planet and Niger, Amon Ekpa. She has stated that not under their watch would Biafra, his brand,
He said, not under their watch will Biafra exit Nigeria. She said, I and others will not allow such move. As soon, that's it, she will bring Simon Ekpa down. That's it. Their government will bring Simon Ekpa down and repatriating back to Nigeria, sir. How will you react to this, sir? I am surprised that this is what the government of Biafra. Leave a massive land to Kano. And this IPOB government of Biafra. Long live the Republic of Biafra. Long live massive land to Kano. Long live Uberu. Long live Simon Ekpa. Long live Odua Republic. Long live Odua Republic and whosoever will be the leader tomorrow. Long live Finland people and Finland government that accommodate Simon Ekpa. Long live Donald Trump and America. Long live Netanyahu and Israel. Long live Russia and the Putin. Long live our fans all over the world. May God bless every one of you in Jesus' name. Amen. What do that she will bring down Simon Ekpa and then Biafra will not go on under their word. And she will bring down Simon Ekpa down to Nigeria. Yes. Let her go. I think she said she will. Let her go and bring Simon Ekpa down to Nigeria. Ask. Let God down to Nigeria. If we feel that Nigeria is her own, as he said, I and my husband will bring him down. Let her go and bring someone back. The lion in the jungle. They want to go to the jungle and bring him down to Nigeria. The case have taken people unaware. Have taken their fans unaware. Not someone else. They cannot try it again and succeed. Christopher Musa, the chief army staff of Nigeria, declared someone else wanted, and someone else declared him wanted also. But to me, Remi to realize that he's dealing with a prime minister of a nation, not ordinary person. If Remi know that he has power or he has right to bring someone else back, let him go through process of international law. If you that someone else is doing wrong thing, if she feels someone else is doing wrong thing, not to stay in Nigeria also.
Ignorance is a disease. I don't blame her. She is a political opportunist. When you think you have somebody that have brain, that's people that are braining in power, this is what you find yourself in. You'll be mistaken, because once they open their mouth to talk, they will talk like they'll be committing nuisance. You think that she's alone. She always want to, she want to do gara just like other people, and at the end, they will expose themselves and disgrace themselves. How can you, a woman who her husband is a president, come out to threat a prime minister that even her husband is struggling on how to engage him? And if you think that you have that power to go to Finland and do all those things, his representative down in Biafra land, Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran de facto government, Biafrans who are not only supporting but have vowed to get their independence. The freedom of Biafrans is not a crime. I don't know why people are seeing it as if you are a terrorist. When you ask for your freedom, that means you are committing terrorist. You're a terrorist, and this is the same woman who cannot even question the person that they will murder her. She had Shetima. Was it Shetima? If I'm not mistaken, I don't want to quote somebody that's wrongly. There's this northern man that came out publicly and said that she deserves to be stoned to die because she is an infidel. That's what they said. And it's not as if he said it when they were campaigning. She's a first lady already, first lady of Nigeria. But she couldn't even go after the. She couldn't arrest the person that have threatened her life. But that's one thing. And I was told, where did she even come from? Because I want to be sure. I was told that that woman is not even a Yoruba woman. I think she's an Igbo woman. Let me see. Because this her statement sounds like where did Tinubu wife come from? Let me see. Okay. Uh, Here we are. Olori Tinubu was born on 21st September 1960. She is the number 12 of 13 children in her family, and she hailed from Ikusubiala family of Ogun State. Okay, she's not an Igbo, she's a Yoruba woman. She's a Yoruba woman. So because I was told that she's a Christian and she's from Delta. Who was that person that rumored that thing? The first lady. She's a Yoruba woman. She's a Yoruba woman, but she talks like somebody who come from the southeast. Always look down on the people. How can you say that you want to go to Finland to, repatriate PM? How? With what? But if Fulani man who lives in your next door, which is in northern part, who is very close to you, that says that you deserve to be stoned to death because you are a Christian, that means you are infidel. She have not even come out to condemn or to make a statement or to even dare to question the person that said it. That person is not a senator, he's not a governor, he's not vice president, he holds no political power, if I'm correct, and you can't even do anything. But here she is threatening because everybody want to after the B2 from north. The only place you want to pour your anger is on Igbo man or Igbo business or anything Igbo people. Now she want to prove her strength. If you want to lie, you lie a better lie, not this one. We know that you can't do anything, madam. Nothing.
Basic. When she was at the Senate, when she was in the Senate, was she able to raise any emotion? Is it issue that one of the senators mentioned her when she second that senator from North? What did he do? Did she react? Now I've seen you the man. Let everybody get power to resort.
Just like what I was saying.
When she has to speak, she has everybody to speak. Nobody will arrest her, nobody will beat her, nobody will molest her. We just have her own land. But I'm trying to remind her that she should get in mind there's no constitutional right to say what and bring someone in now. Constitutionally, people will vote her in. They don't contest any election this time. Because her husband will know that the president of Nigeria. She should not use the privilege of the wife of the president to start talking anyhow. That's not what she cannot do. She understands. Now, for this, don't you think that we are planned by the federal government to repatriate some back like that, just like the way Muslim family was legally kidnapped in Kenya to come and face treason and felony charges against him. That is what she said. You know that Nigeria are good with kidnapping. They are good with kidnapping. They kidnapped Omar Odibo in 1985. I mean, in 1984. They kidnapped Omar Odibo in 1984. So they are perfect with kidnapping. People don't know what they happen in Nigeria today. Kidnapping. Imagine Russia, here and there, all over Nigeria. Because kidnapping is in their blood. They want to kidnap someone. But this time around, they cannot kidnap someone. I'm sorry. They want to kidnap the diamond. But this time around, they cannot kidnap someone. But also, someone like aspire back to Tinubu that Tinubu is just jobless and then she is a dreamer. And as a such thing, will never open under his word. Now, what rule that to be that? I don't think Samonepa is right to have said that one of the president is a dreamer. This is not a dreamer. That's the word of the issue. Where did he hold the water? That's the word she has spoken out. Where did he hold the water?
She's not only a dreamer, she's a, there's a dream, when there's some dream that when you are, if you have fever, if you are feeling feverish, that this kind of dream, that when you dream it, if you want to, tell people that your dream, you will be it will look like as if you're a fool, Sometimes you dream where you are flying, where you are something that doesn't make any sense. When you're a president of a nation, when you are still in your secondary school or primary school, you will dream. So where you are in the sky, you went to moon. That's a feverish dream. Feverish dream is like that. It's not ordinary dream, like you are not sick and you dream that kind of dream. That one will be accepted. It's okay. Maybe because of you just a normal dream. Maybe you thought of it, something that you will be nursing in your mind, or maybe it's just there. But when you have a fever, that is the kind of dream that she's dreaming.
It's not a dreamer. He know that the government cannot go under their watch. On December, 2nd of December of 2024, let her go and stop the declaration of Biafra. Let Remi Tinubu go and stop the declaration of Biafra. Then I will know that Biafra will not go under the watch eyes of her and her husband. That's the only thing I believe. You understand? Or let her go and command the people in Biafra land to stop sit at home on Mondays.
That is it.
Let her go and do it.
You can't even stop those ones, and you want
to. That's what I'm saying. Not be eating Nigerian money as he eating now.
Oh my goodness.
I think now he will be on salary as the first lady of Nigeria. He will be on salary now, collecting Nigerian money, not giving any work. The report office of first lady to her now.
Making street.
He will be traveling up and down with a. She will be traveling up and down now with a presidential jet, not being a president of Nigeria. She will be doing it. If carry one go, can you tell her that one she should not go? After all, the North now are clamoring for Biafra to go. The North now are clamoring for Biafra to go. Biafra should go. Look. And lastly, let me ask this question. She has also said that this time it should be fire for fire and then over a dead body. She said as long as she is alive, nothing like Biafra. Okay, thank God that she don't understand fire by fire. Did she understand what you mean by fire by fire? Fire by fire. Fire by fire, they will use force to stop Biafra. When the time reach, let her join Nigerian armed forces. Her mate is still in Nigerian army. Her mate is still in Nigerian police. Her mate is still in Nigerian Air Force. Her mate is still in Nigerian Navy. Her mate is still in Civil Defense of Nigeria. Her mate is still in Nigerian Custom, Nigerian Immigration. Let her go and join them. When the time reach, they will carry gun, fire by fire, to go and stop Biafra.
Exactly.
That will exist. Not to leave Nigeria.
Perfect response, my lord.
Let her carry gun. So we see any husband like three people in the West. What have she done to stop them? To taking power to fire to a nation of our own, to Biafra Republic. She says she's not.
Excellent, Wachigo. Good morning, my dear brother Kai Report. Good morning to you, my very good brother. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for joining me this morning. We are live because somehow we need to respond to some of the things that is trending. We have talked about people that buy with a junior pope, and here we are responding to the wife of Tinubu, who said that she will go to Finland to kidnap PM. And Biafrans are responding to that. This our father is now, dishing it out the way it should be. So let's listen to him. Thank you so much. Please, as you join me, like the video. Please, that's it. I have not said this in this broadcast. This is the first time I remember. I forgot to say it. That is why. Please click on the like button. It is very necessary you do so. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue.
What of Biafra? You know she's from Delta State, and then she has said she will never be part.
See, this one also said that she's from Delta State. Why am I having? Why do I have a different? Maybe already me. Okay, already me Tinubu. Okay, this one is different from Yemi Tinubu. Her name is Yemi Tinubu, right? Why am I having different thing from what other people are saying? They say it's from Delta State. From Delta State. So what is her real name as a Delta? What's her real name? Uh, so I was right when I said that I've heard people saying that she's from Delta. She's not a Yoruba. So why is it? Because the way when you look at her tone of word, her decision, you understand that this person is somebody very close to Igbo people, because only people that are. But that that is not to say that people are not. Other people are not tackling Biafrans or Igbo people. Yemi Tinubu, is it Yemi? Let me see if I can get the spelling correctly. Uh, where did the Tinubu's wife come from? I think that was what I said before, but is she from Delta actually? And if she's from Delta, what is her name? Because Yemi is Yoruba name. Yemi should be Yoruba. So why are they saying that she's from Delta? Why? I want somebody to put it right. Let me see. Tinubu's wife. Where did it? Okay, Yemi Tinubu. Is it Yemi or Remi Tinubu? Okay, they say Remi, that's why. Okay, Remi Tinubu. Or that Remi. This was Lagos State next. No, no. This one is a different information as well. Let me see. Let me type Yemi. Okay, Yemi, and see where did she come from. Yemi Tinubu what? Come from where? Okay, sorry. I'm not able to get the the information that I want. What I have here is Google State, and what people are saying is Delta State. So it's not working. It's not working. Okay, let me not waste much of my time with that because of that. Let's continue.
Of the stand up against the unity of Nigeria. She's not Delta actually. She's not in Yoruba. She has a right in Yoruba. All life in Yoruba. He's a Yoruba person. He's a West now. Nobody forcing him to be Biafra. He will never be Biafra. She will never be Biafra. Nobody. In Biafra, you don't need people like her in Biafra. In Biafra, you don't need people like her. Now, don't you think? Now, Samuelepa has denounced he is not a Nigerian. Now, they are still planning to bring him down to Nigeria. But the same man has denounced Nigeria. Don't you think that one is against the constitutional rights of Samuelepa? Who? For them to bring him to Nigeria. You see, the funniest thing Nigeria did not understand, or the people did not understand, that the Finland is not the dead. Finland is not a hypocrite nation.
Period.
Finland is not a people who betray their citizens because of commerce, because of material things. Finland is not like that. You should remember that Finland themselves fought against Russia. And they do what? And they independent from Russia. So Finland know what it means for a freedom fighter. Okay, now, Finland is a freedom fighter. What it means to be a freedom fighter. So now, lastly, now, what's our advice for the Biafran nations? Now, see what is their hope and aspiration? How will you advise your fellow Biafran and Samuelepa not to lose focus this time. Some Monica is not losing focus. If some Monica is losing focus, the blaspheming, DOS blaspheme him. The blaspheming. If I'm a Jaffa, I'll go blaspheme him. The blaspheming. Unless
I'm
everybody
from
blaspheme him.
Nigeria.
The blaspheming. Even politicians blaspheme him. The blaspheming. Even rich men that have business in Nigeria blaspheme him. To have made him to be discouraged. It would have made him to be discouraged. But he still stay family because he know what he's doing. Like David said, that I encourage myself in the Lord. Someone encourage himself in the Lord without mind whatever they're doing him. Then he focused for the restoration of Biafra. And the Biafra medium warriors and other Biafran real Biafrans support him. So by this December, by God grace we do it. So Simon Ekpa, Gigi medium warriors, Gigi the real IPOBs, Gigi the real Biafrans, Gigi both as they call us, Southeast, those that know their God shall do exploits. Those that know their God shall do exploit. Thank you for coming to the show, Mr. Mara.
So that is our brother there responding to the so-called Tinubu's wife, yapping nonsense, thinking that she's making sense where she's actually fooling herself. Here is this man, this idiot. Look at him. I don't preach for violence, but we need to protect our people for people like this Ekwensu. This guy, even I can easily forgive Buhari than this man. I'm telling you gospel truth. I can easily forgive Buhari than this man. What comes out from this man's mouth against Igbo people, against Biafrans, is not forgivable. Do you understand? It's not forgivable. Anybody who think you have not listened to him, every Igbo man that follow this man should unfollow him immediately. This guy is Lucifer. Buhari is a saint to compare this idiot. He's from Delta. He's from Urobo. I heard from he's from Urobo. But these are people that want to sell you just because they want to buy favor from the so-called Tinubu and the Yoruba politicians. Now, this is what PM said. This okay Mbi, who always insult Biafrans, not creaming his leg and his ankle, is looking very dried and terrible, and his shoe is crying for help. Zoom to see. Okay, Bruno Mokri Arumelu. Don't he have Lolo who should be fixing him up? He divorced the first one, and the current one now is the one that from South Africa. This man, my goodness. I have tried to read some of the things that he posts, and Biafran decided to zoom his shoe. I don't know. You look at it. What is the difference between this shoe with the Fulani shoe? I hope you guys can see it. Look at somebody who is challenging Biafrans. I will try my best to see if I can zoom this shoe. Okay. Oh, one of us have done that. Now, somebody have zoomed it already on the comment section. You can see the leg. Look at what he's wearing. And he put on this Yoruba attire just to buy favor. This is P2B. As P2B is licking the ass of Northerners, this one is licking. But I believe somehow this guy father is from Oduduwa land. I'm not against it, but when you rise against our people, of course, no be you, whether you carry a breakable plate in your hands, I don't give a damn. I will come after you the way you think that you can come after our people. So this guy will be last person that we are going to bring in this live broadcast this hour. We are going to be live again later in the day, of course. Probably we may have double or triple broadcast today. I'll be going out now, so when I come back, we see what where we can start from. I have an appointment and not for any other. This is my personal appointment. Don't get it twisted. I'm not PM that have appointment for reference. So my appointment is for my own. So we shall see again later in the day. Thank you so much. Before you go, please like this video, like it, and if you have not subscribed to my platform, you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and turn the bell notification on so that whenever I come online or post a video, you will be part of those that will get notification first. It is very, very important that you do so. Support us in this platform. It is very, very important. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye for now. Armstrong, I greet you. I greet you all. Essence watching. Thank you guys. Thank you.